welcome back to Natural Living with Amanda. Today I'm going to show you how I make the frothiest tea latte. And since I don't have any chai, which is my favorite tea latte, I'm going to make a mate, a green mate. This one is by David's Tea. I put a teaspoon of this green mate into this tea, what are these called? Tea balls. I add a little bit of hot water just to activate it. Stir it a little bit while I've heated up my soy milk. So I use soy milk, try to use organic, unsweetened. I've heated it up to a nice hot temperature. This happens to be 160 degrees Fahrenheit. And to make the frothiest ever tea latte, I'm gonna put my soy milk, which I put 1 cup of soy milk in here. I like to add cinnamon. So half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla, about a 1/4 teaspoon or so sweetener. I like to add about 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna use maple syrup this time. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And mix it all up. Now it's gonna be really hot, so open with caution. There we go. Pour in my frothy soy milk concoction. I love how frothy it is. I love to use soy milk because I feel like it froths up better than the other plant milks. Well, the ones that I've tried anyway. I'll just let that steep for another 5 minutes. This green mate is from Brazil. It's also called yerba mate. It is packed full of vitamins, multi-nutrients, and more antioxidants than green tea, which is amazing to me because I drink green tea every day. So for this to have even more than that is just a bonus. This has a lot of caffeine, so I definitely recommend not drinking it before bedtime. It tones your nervous system and aids in digestion and skin health. A great tea for after a workout or yoga, such as I just did. It aids in your muscle recovery. This is definitely not the traditional way to make this tea, but this is how I make it. Take out the tea ball, set it aside, let it drip all over, and have a sip. So warming, so frothy, so earthy. I just love it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe. It would really help me out, show your support, and I hope to see you again soon. Enjoy your latte. I love how frothy this is.